एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट जिसके बाकी सब इंग्रेडिएंट्स के साथ दोस्ती है, which means you can comfortably layer this particular skincare ingredient with all your other serums and creams. और है ये एक ऐसा इंग्रेडिएंट जो आपकी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम योर ब्लैकहेड्स एंड ओपन पोर्स को सॉल्व करता है when you use it consistently. तो आज हम इसके बारे में बात करेंगे. One of my most favorite ingredients, that is niacinamide. आज की वीडियो डेडिकेटेड है on the top 10 niacinamide serums. मैं आपको दूंगी niacinamide serums which are under 500, some niacinamides which are little more expensive. I will also tell you कि कौन से एज ग्रुप के लिए, कौन से स्किन कंसर्न के लिए कौन सा niacinamide serum आपको यूज करना चाहिए. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू स्किन केयर सिंप्लीफाइड. मेरा नाम है निपुण, आपकी स्किन केयर बेस्टी एंड अ सर्टिफाइड स्किन केयर कंसल्टेंट. Today's video is dedicated to one of my most favorite ingredients, and that is niacinamide. Before we get started, do consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel. मैं बनाती हूँ नई स्किन केयर रिलेटेड वीडियोस हफ्ते में 4 बार, संडे, मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे, और हफ्ते के बीच में आती हैं बोनस वीडियोस. So if you're interested in skincare related, beauty related content, don't forget to subscribe. Skincare Simplified is the only channel on the internet जहां आपको मिलते हैं डिटेल्ड स्किन केयर रूटीन. हर स्किन कंसर्न के लिए प्रोडक्ट को कैसे लगाना है, कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स को आपको लगाना चाहिए, किस तरह से आपको लेयरिंग करनी चाहिए, ऑल ऑफ दोज डिटेल्स आर गिवन ऑन दिस चैनल. मैंने बनाई है बहुत सारी प्लेलिस्ट, एक्ने, मेलास्मा, एंटी एजिंग, हेयर केयर, हाउ टू, जिसमें आप जाके सर्च कर सकते हैं. यू कैन लिटरली टाइप माई नेम ऑन गूगल, not on Google. You can literally type my name on YouTube, ऐड करें अपना स्किन केयर कंसर्न और डायरेक्टली आपको मिल जाएंगी उस स्किन केयर से रिलेटेड वीडियोस. नाउ आपको सब कुछ समझ आ गया है. Hopefully you've liked and subscribed. Now let's get into it. The very first skin type I want to talk about, and that is sensitive skin. अब जिन लोगों की स्किन सेंसिटिव होती है, एक्जिमा प्रोन होती है, रोजेशिया प्रोन होती है, they have to be very selective in choosing the right kind of serum, whether it's niacinamide या कोई भी और serum हो. But niacinamide, like I said, is that one serum जो आप हर टाइप के स्किन केयर इंग्रेडिएंट के साथ यूज कर सकते हैं. You can use it morning and evening, and that is why if you have sensitive skin, I don't want you to not get the benefit of this product. So I'm going to recommend to you the Plum with rice concentrate. प्लम का राइस नायासिनामाइड सेरम. अब ये आता है 2 कॉन्सेंट्रेशंस में, 5% एंड 10%. इफ योर स्किन इज वेरी सेंसिटिव एंड इज एक्जिमा प्रोन यानी एक्सट्रीम ड्राइनेस, रेडनेस हो जाती है, या अगर आपको है रोजेशिया, देन यू शुड ऑप्ट फॉर द 5% कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. लेकिन अगर आपको इस तरह की एक्जिमा, रोजेशिया टाइप कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपकी स्किन सिर्फ सेंसिटिव है, यू कैन इवन गो फॉर द 10%. बट इफ यू आर अनश्योर, स्टार्ट विद 5%. वो खत्म हो जाए, सूट कर रहा है, देन यू कैन गो ऑन टू 10%. द प्लम वन इज अ सुपर जेंटल फॉर्मूला. I absolutely love it, and it is extremely affordable. It is under 500 rupees. ये है मेरी recommendation number 1. Recommendation number 2 is specifically उनके लिए जिनको है acne. Whether you have cystic acne के रूटीन में भी niacinamide आता है along with adapalene. और अगर आपको है कोमोडोनल acne, तो उसमें तो 100% niacinamide है ही. जिन लोगों की स्किन जिनको एक्ने होता है और जब आप एक्ने की ट्रीटमेंट पे होते हैं, बाय एंड लार्ज स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है. दिस इज अ मिथ कि सिर्फ ऑयली स्किन को एक्ने होता है. ऐसा नहीं बिल्कुल होता. यू कैन हैव एक्सट्रीमली ड्राई स्किन एंड यू कैन हैव एक्ने, या हो सकता है एक्ने के ट्रीटमेंट से आपकी स्किन ड्राई हो रही हो. देयरफॉर द वन niacinamide that I do recommend for you is by Dr. Sheth. This is the Centella plus niacinamide 10% concentration with Centella. This is super hydrating and very gentle. Centella irritated skin को बहुत beautifully hydrate करती है, soothe करती है, calm down करती है. So this recommendation is for anyone who has acne prone skin with acne, cystic acne, comedonal acne, किसी भी टाइप का acne. I recommend this one from Dr. Sheth. Again, this is an affordable one. The next one, which is again a product जिसमें 2 concentrations आते हैं, 5% and 10%, is the one by the brand Minimalist. जब शुरू हुआ था, काफ़ी लोग कहते थे कि ये ऑर्डिनरी की कॉपी है. बट ओवर द इयर्स आई जस्ट फील दैट मिनिमलिस्ट हैज़ क्रिएटेड better formulations, better products. Maybe they were a little inspired by the ordinary in the beginning, but as of now, they have some really great formulations. And one of their formulations that I absolutely love is the 5% and the 10% niacinamide. Again, 5% नायासिनामाइड मैं उन्हें रेकमेंड करती हूँ जिनकी स्किन सेंसिटिव है। अगर आपकी स्किन सेंसिटिव नहीं है, 10% इज आइडियल। आगे वीडियो के आगे के पार्ट में मैं और भी ज़्यादा कॉन्सेंट्रेशन वाले नायासिनामाइड सीरम्स के बारे में बात करूंगी, बट इन जनरल द 5% and 10% by minimalist is very very good, and I have personally tried the 10% and I love it. So this is going to work for all skin types. It is ideal अगर आप already उनका peptide use कर रहे हैं. If you're using other products from Minimalist, it might make sense for you to even get this one. This is something that will work on all skin types. So this is the next recommendation. Again, it is an affordable one. Another great recommendation, which is also an Indian brand, is the Dermaco. Now, Dermaco company and my journey started basically when I started testing out their sunscreens. And if a company can get sunscreens right, then they can get a lot of other things right. Personally, मैंने Dermaco का 10% niacinamide try नहीं किया है, but I do like the formulation of Dermaco products, and which is why I want to recommend to you the 10% Dermaco by niacinamide. The 10% niacinamide by the Dermaco as an affordable option that you can opt for. And the last one, which is again affordable, under 500, and is very very interesting, is by the brand Simple. Now Simple has some fabulous face washes, some fabulous lotions. It is, as the name suggests, a very very simple brand, no nonsense formulas. Formulas are very very gentle, and they also have a niacinamide serum which is extremely affordable, which you can opt in for. When it comes to anti-aging, a niacinamide serum जो थोड़ा सा expensive है, but I have been loving it, is the one by Sunday Riley. This is the Sunday Riley Be Nice, B3 Nice niacinamide serum. Niacinamide 10 है, इसमें है resveratrol, which is a fabulous antioxidant which also has great anti-aging benefits. So if you're looking at, अगर आप दूसरे niacinamides use कर चुके हैं, and if you're looking at something which is more of a hybrid formula, जिसमें और भी कुछ ingredients हैं जिसका आप benefit ले सकते हैं, especially to boost up your anti-aging efforts, I do recommend the one from Sunday Riley. This product is definitely not under 500, but it is very very effective. I love it, and therefore from an anti-aging perspective, this is my first recommendation for you. My second recommendation is one of my most favorite niacinamide serums, and if you've been following me for any length of time, you've seen me use it. I'm literally on bottle number 3, but because abhi summer months हैं, मैं उसे use नहीं कर रही हूँ. I actually like to use it when the weather is a little more cooler, because this is a bit thick but beautiful. It is the Roche Posay Niacinamide 10. This is one niacinamide serum. Every time I use it, I wake up in the morning, my skin is softer, brighter, nicer. जो impact इस niacinamide serum से मुझे मिलता है, I have not seen it with any niacinamide serum, and trust me, I have used a lot of them. So this niacinamide serum is my favorite, but I recommend it only अगर आपकी skin dry है, तो आप इसे throughout the year use कर सकते हैं. But अभी का जो मौसम है, which is monsoons with humidity, extreme heat, इसमें ये इतना अच्छा काम नहीं करता, but as a product alone, it is fabulous. If you live in a cold country, if you're in Europe, जहाँ भी अभी बहुत गर्मी है वैसे, but if you get the point. If you're in a country which has got cooler temperatures, you will absolutely love this one, the Niacinamide 10 by La Roche Posay. अब बात करते हैं टेक्सचर्ड स्किन की, और स्किन जिसमें बहुत ऐसे बड़े बड़े ओपन पोर्स एंड ब्लैकहेड्स होते हैं. सी इफ योर ब्लैकहेड्स आर वेरी डीप, कुछ इस तरह से, देन यू विल नीड टू डू एक्सट्रैक्शंस उससे पहले कि आपकी स्किन पे कोई भी और प्रोडक्ट काम करे. बट इन जनरल पोर्स सबको होते हैं, एंड ये large pores जो होते हैं, they give this orange peel kind of texture, जिसे छुपाने के लिए हम लगाते हैं primers, and primers, well, they work, sometimes they don't work. But if you want to really treat this orange peel texture, you need to do two things. Number one, use niacinamide consistently. यानी at least दिन में एक बार तो आपको niacinamide use करना ही है, 2 बार कर सकते हैं, it's ideal. And number two, opt in for a higher concentration of niacinamide. So now I'm going to tell you about high concentration niacinamide serums जो इस तरह के orange peel texture पे काम करेंगे. मेरा पहला recommendation for a high concentration niacinamide is by the brand Naturium. Naturium का niacinamide 12% is a really fabulous formula जो आपके oil levels को control करता है, आपके texture पे बहुत beautifully काम करता है. I have used this product for about 3 weeks और अगर आपको ये product नहीं मिल रहा है इंडिया में, an alternative for this that you can get at a great price is the Wishcare 12% niacinamide with zinc. Very similar formula. Wishcare वाला मैं फिलहाल यूज़ कर रही हूँ. I've given a break from Naturium just to compare the two. But a 12% niacinamide works extremely well, especially on texture and controlling your oil levels. So ये है मेरे दो recommendations. Obviously, the Wishcare one is more affordable. Naturium is affordable in the United States. I don't know what's the price in India or if you can get it in India, but both of these are 12% concentration. The next one I want to talk about is by the brand Cosrx. It's the Cosrx Niacinamide 15. Now, while this says Cosrx Niacinamide 15, I don't think this is a pure 15% niacinamide formula because I have used it in the past and it is super gentle. It literally feels like a 10% on your skin and doesn't give you the dryness and the peeling of a 12%. And yeah, I forgot to tell you that अगर आपकी skin sensitive है तो 12% से आपको dryness and peeling हो सकती है. So your skin needs to be super strong to be able to tolerate a pure 12% with zinc, but the Cosrx one is a lot more gentle. Again, प्रोडक्ट आप वो चूज करें जो आप लॉन्ग टर्म यूज कर सकते हैं. सो अगर आपको बहुत सारा टेक्सचर है स्किन पे और आपको लग रहा है कि अगर आपने सीधा 15% यूज कर लिया या 12% यूज कर लिया, योर टेक्सचर विल गेट बेटर. Chances are you might get peeling, irritation, etc. So even if you start with a 5% or start with a 10%, that's absolutely fine. To beat texture or to beat any skincare problem, you've got to be consistent. That is the key. Concentration तो आप कुछ महीनों के बाद भी you can switch to a higher concentration. Having said that, my recommendation number 7, I guess it's 7 or 8, I don't know, is 7 is the one from Cosrx. The first one, the 12% recommendation, I have 2, Naturium and Wishcare, and this is Cosrx. Now let's move on to another recommendation, and this is something that I have just started using. And when I say just started using, मैंने इसको 2 बार यूज़ किया है, and that is the Inky List 20%. अब 20% niacinamide is for extremely oily skin that has very rough texture, like very large open pores. उनके लिए 20% recommended है. And now this comes in 2 brands. This comes in Paula's Choice and this also comes in Inky List Super Solution. So Inky List has a normal niacinamide which is the 10%, and then they have this Super Skincare Solutions जिसमें है 20%, and that's the one that I'm testing out. मैंने इसे 2 बार यूज़ किया है, and when I say 2 बार I mean twice in a week, पूरे हफ्ते में, like गैप देके, because 20% boy is very strong. But क्योंकि मेरी skin tolerate कर सकती है, I am using it basically to see the impact on large open pores and to see कि मेरे skin पे इसका किस तरह से impact आता है, so I can give you a full review. But for extremely large open pores, so extremely oily skin, a 20% is recommended. And obviously the Paula's Choice is very pricey, so I do believe Inky List is a better, more affordable option. The one niacinamide serum that I don't recommend, जो मैं obviously use कर चुकी हूँ and मेरे skin को suit करता है, but it doesn't suit most people, and which is why I am still adding it in as a niacinamide serum I don't recommend, is the one by The Ordinary. Concentration है इसकी 10% with 1% zinc, but in my experience with all of the feedback that I have received, I know that 90% से ज़्यादा लोगों को Ordinary का niacinamide suit नहीं करता. In fact, a lot of people feel that niacinamide से उनको irritation है because of The Ordinary. It's just the formulation, it's not the ingredient. So like I said, there are so many options, especially the ones that I have given you for sensitive skin, like the one from Plum, which has rice in it, or the Centella one by Dr. Sheth, or the minimalist one. There's thousands of options, not thousands, but like tens of options that you can explore. And definitely अगर आपकी skin बहुत ज़्यादा oily है या आपको है बहुत ज़्यादा texture, then you should opt in for a higher concentration of niacinamide. But like I always say, don't go ahead and just buy the highest concentration first. Start slow, allow your skin to adjust, give your skin time, and धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे आपकी skin adjust करे, you can amp up the concentration. Now, why did I say in the beginning of the video कि niacinamide एक ऐसा product है या एक ऐसा ingredient है जिसकी सबके साथ बनती है? Because I have actually created a video in which I have explained all the layering combinations that are possible with niacinamide. It is called One Ingredient 10 skincare routines. That's the next video. Go check it out. Video pasand aayi, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. मैं आपसे मिलूंगी अगली बार. Till then, take great care of yourself. Bye.